Hi, welcome to the demo of simple scanning with IBM Rational Asset Analyzer. I intend to show you how to scan a Windows directory structure with files with COBOL and Java. Both do include some SQL, but we'll focus on just scanning the directory structure with heterogeneous type of files. We're going to log into Asset Analyzer. That takes us to the home page of the web browser for Asset Analyzer. Here, we select Database, Collect Inventory. Inventory Collection Wizard opens up. Here we choose Windows File System to scan. Click Next. I will create a new site. This is a physical grouping that the user can include in Asset Analyzer. I will name the new site Java COBOL site. We'll take everything else as default. Click Next. Accept this new site as the site to scan the directory into. Specify Windows directory. We will scan all files, no patterns to limit the file scanning. Selecting the directory and scan into all subdirectories. Java and COBOL are in different subdirectories. We select to scan inside zip files and include scan for symbols. If you are on your local workstation, you want to make sure that those are checked, all of those, unless you have a good reason to have them unchecked. The browser will remember your choice next time you come in as a default. Okay, click Next. We'll take the defaults for scanning of COBOL parameters and for scanning PL1 parameters. There's no PL1 in our sample. We can select to assign things into the, we'll assign to a new application. The new application will be Java COBOL application. I'll create a new application. This is logical grouping in RAA, completely controlled by the user. As physical grouping cannot be reassigned while the artifacts are scanned in, the application assignment, application logical grouping can be changed after initial assignment. We will allow Asset Analyzer to find the path to search for includes for copybooks. You can specify explicitly where Asset Analyzer should look for copybooks to resolve things. This is the summary of the queue record that will be added to the queue. On the next screen, we see that queue will be run. We can now switch before we click Finish. The clicking Finish will start the queue processing, and I want to show you how the queue looks like right now. So I'll go to Database, Analysis Queue. You see that there is one Analyze Container record here. So that is our request for scanning. Those are the details of this record. Go back to the analysis, to our scanning wizard. When we click Finish, the queue processor will start. We can see the message right here for the queue processor, where the queue processor is running. If I refresh, we should see the queue progress. Asset Analyze Container is gone. We now have 9 records to analyze file type. When I press refresh again, we have Analyze File 1 record, Resolve Dynamic References 2. Pressing refresh again, we are now into the stage of establishing connections and running post-processing for distributed post-processing. The message is gone, analysis queue has finished. Now we want to take a look at our artifacts that have been scanned. We go Explore and Sites will give us a list of sites. Here's our Java COBOL site. Let's take a look at that. We have 16 containers scanned in and 22 files. We'll take a look at the containers just to make sure that this is the correct directory. We have our directory that we have selected with all subdirectories. We have COBOL and we have in J2E war structure with Java here. Let's go back to the details about the site, to the numbers, and select File. We have our files. This is the list of all the files. We have Java class, Java source, we have COBOL include files, we have some XML, and we have 2 COBOL program sources and 1 JCL bat job. That concludes our quick demo of scanning files with Asset Analyzer. Thank you.